lot of companies have asked, should they think about entering new businesses by monetizing product data by selling it to outside parties? I mean, the purpose of a firm's value chain is to convert business inputs into business outputs. And to the list of business inputs, we can now add data, which is a resource that some business professionals have begun to refer to as the new oil. So data may lead to new services or even new businesses. For example, data about product usage or process efficiencies could be anonymized across many customers and then offered to each of them as a service to allow themselves to benchmark their use of these products against a peer group of similar companies. Or data about a product's components could be very valuable to sell back to the suppliers of those components so that they understand how well their components are performing. Or data about driving conditions, of course, is interesting to insurance companies, but it could also be valuable to cities or road repair crews or what have you. So companies might find that the data they already collect is valuable in interesting, orthogonal ways to new business entities. They might also realize they could easily capture more additional data that would be valuable to other business entities. So our recommendation is first to think through those orthogonal use cases. Ways that data could be used that's sort of secondary to the primary reason why you collected it in the first place. And then second, define ways that you might think about monetizing that data. How might we license that data to other parties and who are those parties? Third, give some thought to the potential risks and threats to your company, to your partners, and to your customer relationship associated with supplying this data to other sources. And then fourth, finally, spend some time thinking about how to mitigate those potential risks. For example, a lot of customers anonymize the data and remove the customer references and so forth so that the data can be combined with other anonymous data sources and used for benchmarking purposes or the like. To learn more, I encourage you to download the HBR article or contact us on ptc.com.